Hello students, let us continue with our English grammar revision. Question 3C, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the adjectives given in the bracket. Let us revise. Rules for changing the positive degree into comparative and superlative degrees. Rule number 1, rule for changing positive degree into comparative degree. So now than is used after the comparative degree and er is added with the positive degree. For example, Reena is prettier than Seema. Now over here in bracket positive degree word is given and that word is pretty. Now to make it in comparative degree, we will remove y and instead of y we will write I, because before y there is a consonant. So according to rules for formation of comparative and superlative degrees from positive degree, y we will remove and write I, and we will add er to form comparative degree. So answer will be prettier. So we can say that Reena is prettier than Seema, as there is comparison between two persons. Next, rule for changing positive degree into superlative degree. Now the is used before the superlative degree and est is added with the positive degree. For example, Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Over here in the bracket positive degree word is given, that is tall. Now Mohan is compared with everyone in the class. So to form the word which is in positive degree, in superlative degree, we need to add est after this word. So tall, taller, tallest. Therefore answer will be tallest. Est we will add after the positive degree word. As well as before this blank there is also the. So because of this the also we can come to know that the answer is in superlative degree. Now let us start with the exercise. First one, Ramesh is stronger than Manoj. In bracket strong word is given which is in positive degree, which is again an adjective. So over here we can see names of two persons are given, that is Ramesh and Manoj. Now two persons are compared. So what we will do, we will add er to this word to form in comparative degree. So strong will become stronger. Er we will add, so it will become stronger. So the answer is stronger. Number 2, Maya is more beautiful than her sister. So in bracket we can see an adjective which is in form of positive degree. So again there is comparison between two persons, that is Maya is compared with her sister. So beautiful will become more beautiful. More we are using to form comparative degree. So we will add more with an adjective, that is beautiful. So the answer will become more beautiful. Then third number, health is more important than wealth. Over here again in bracket important word is given which is an adjective. Again it is in positive degree. So we can see that health is compared with wealth. So two things are compared, so answer will be more important. More we will use to form comparative degree with the positive degree word. Fourth one, this is the prettiest dress in the whole shop. Now over here in bracket pretty word is given which is in positive degree. So now we can see that this is the prettiest dress in the whole shop. So here we can see that one dress is compared with all the dresses in the shop. So it is in superlative degree form. So to make this positive degree word in superlative degree, what we will do, y we will remove because there is a consonant before it. Y we will remove and instead of y we will write I, and we will add est to make this word in superlative degree. So the answer will be prettiest. Fifth one, Raman is more intelligent than Ashok. Now in bracket the positive degree word or an adjective which is given is intelligent. Now over here we can see two persons are compared. So whenever we compare two persons, it is said to be in which degree? In comparative degree. So over here intelligent will become more intelligent because more we are adding to form this positive degree word in comparative degree. So the answer will be more intelligent. Next, wood is lighter than water. Now in bracket an adjective or the positive degree which is given, that is light. Over here we can see two things are compared, that is wood is compared with water. So whenever two things are compared, it is said to be in which degree? In comparative degree. So with this positive degree word, what we will add to form in comparative degree? We will add ER. So light will become lighter. So lighter is in comparative degree. Seventh one, Seema is a clever girl. Over here in positive degree, we can see clever word is given, or clever is an adjective which is given in the bracket. Over here we can see that with Seema no other person is compared. Seema is alone, so there is no comparison between Seema or any other person. So we can say that the word is in positive degree form only. So the answer will be same. Whatever is there here in bracket, the answer will be same as it is in the positive degree. Eighth one, the British army was more courageous than the Russian army. Now here in the bracket, an adjective or the positive degree is courageous. Over here we can see that the British army is compared with the Russian army. So two armies are compared with each other, therefore answer will be more courageous. More we will add with the positive degree word, that is courageous, to form into comparative degree. So the answer will be more courageous. Ninth one, Ahmedabad is the biggest city in Gujarat. In the bracket what we can see, an adjective. Adjective is given, that is big, which is also in positive degree. Over here again, Ahmedabad is compared with all the cities in Gujarat. So there are more than one city, right? So over here we can say that answer will come in superlative degree form. So now to make this word big into superlative degree form, we will add GEST, means G will become double times and then we will add EST to form this word into superlative degree. So the answer will be biggest. 10th one, Rohan is older or elder than her sister. Over here the word old is in which degree? It is in positive degree, or it is an adjective which is given in this bracket. Now here Rohan is compared with her sister. Rohan is compared with her sister. So two persons are compared. So whenever two persons are compared with each other, we say that that degree or the word which is given in bracket will be changed into comparative degree. So old will become older or elder. You can also use old, older, oldest, or old, elder, eldest. So we can use older, even elder, both for this answers. Now here after old we are adding ER to form in comparative degree. Same over here, we will add ER to form in comparative degree. So the answer will be old, older and elder. Now next, 11th number, iron is more useful than any other metal. Over here in bracket we can see positive degree word, that is again an adjective which is useful. Now over here when we say iron is more useful than any other metal, means we are comparing iron with another metal. So whenever two metals are compared or two things are compared, we say them as which degree? We say them or we take them as comparative degree. So again here we will use more because there is a comparison between two metals or between two things. So it will be more useful. 12th one, the Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Arctic Ocean. Over here, an adjective which is given, that is deep. Again, it is in positive degree. We can see that there is comparison between two oceans, that is Pacific Ocean with Arctic Ocean. So over here, whenever there is comparison between two things, what we can say, which kind of degree will come? It will be comparative degree. So deep will become deeper. We will add ER after the positive degree word. So it will be in comparative degree. 13th number, the earth is larger than the moon. So in bracket what is given? Large. Now over here large is an adjective as well as it is also in the positive degree. So we can see that the earth is compared with the moon. So there is comparison between two things. So what we will use? We will use comparative degree as there is comparison, and we will add only R after E as E is the vowel. After vowel we will just add R to form the positive degree word into comparative degree. 14th number, Jack is more polite than Jim. Now in bracket, which word is given? Polite. Polite is an adjective as well as it is also in positive degree. Now here Jack is compared with whom? With Jim. So two persons are compared with each other. Therefore we can say that the answer will be in comparative form or in comparative degree form. So polite will become more polite. More we are using for which degree? For comparative degree. Then 15th number, Sam is the laziest boy in the class. So now over here in the bracket an adjective is given, that is lazy, as well as it is also in the positive degree. Over here we can see that Sam is compared with all the boys in the class. So the answer will be in superlative degree. Therefore what we will do? Lazy. Now lazy is ending with which word? It is ending with Y. And before Y there is a consonant, and that consonant is Z. So what we will do? We will remove this Y, and instead of Y we will add I. And we will add est to form in superlative degree. So lazy will become laziest for superlative degree, as Sam is compared with all the boys in the class. So now for comparative degree, always look for then after the blank. If there is then we can say that the answer which will come, it will be in comparative degree form. And for superlative degree form, always look for the before the blank. If before the blank the is given, then we can say that the answer which will come in the blank will be in the form of superlative degree. And for comparative degree, we will add er to the positive degree word, and for superlative degree we will add est to the positive degree word.